how to add multiple accounts on TikTok. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll guide you on how you can add multiple accounts on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add multiple accounts on TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all just launch the TikTok app here. Once you launch the TikTok app, you just come to the profile page. Now maybe you want to add a multiple account, maybe you just want to switch to the other account. It's very simple. All you need to do is from this profile page, you'll find a profile name at the top and you'll find a little down arrow, which is the drop down menu icon. So you want to make sure to just tap the drop down menu here. As you do that, from the bottom you'll see the account as well as other accounts you've added. If you'd like to basically add a new account, you can just tap the add account button here. You can simply choose to add another account by your Facebook, your Google, your Twitter, or you can simply log in with your username. And next time whenever you want to switch accounts on TikTok, you can just tap on the similar icon here. You'll be able to find the account on the list and then simply switch to that account. This is how you can add multiple accounts on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you in the next video.